Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Monday morning is pretty flat across the world. Asian equities are trading mixed. Dollar index, Asian currencies are flat. Oil prices are hovering around 111. The good news is the US bond yields have pulled back, which will give us some breather on the bond side. अगर DGCX का देखें, जुलाई futures trading slightly higher around 79.12 and 13 के आसपास. Now, our US markets are shut, so we may not get much of a move. But there have been days in the past when US markets have been shut and suddenly the onshore has created a move. That's what we have to see. But otherwise, आज शायद कुछ bigger moves देखने को ना मिले in the USDINR. But what is the price structure? The price structure is pretty bullish. क्योंकि dollar rupee is trying to move up and the slow forward premium is actually supporting the USD INR क्योंकि it disincentivizes exporter hedging, it disincentivizes carry traders, in fact it incentivizes carry unwinding. और last एक हफ्ता 10 दिन से we have seen a lot of demand come from the offshore. How do we know that? Because the USDINR forwards in the offshore market in the NDF, USDINR futures in the DGCX, they are quoting a premium to the onshore, which clearly shows that there is demand from the offshore, and that has been driving the USDINR higher. So we will keep an eye on this premium between offshore onshore. अगर वो elevated रहता है, then it will be an upside move on the USDINR. The trade is buy on dips. Through futures maintain a stop loss below 78 on a 78.80 on a daily closing basis. क्योंकि 78.80 से 78.90 is a very strong support. Resistance around 79.35 and then 79.55. But we have to understand resistance उतना important नहीं है इस market के लिए because it's the resistance is formed where RBI steps in heavily. क्योंकि at an all-time high, how do you define a resistance logically? So it is basically where RBI steps in heavily, there the market gets stuck. Otherwise, it's a buy on dips. Straddle or strangles, we are not recommending a short at this point in time because the implied volatility is pretty low and there is an upside risk. But people who are looking to short straddle strangles, we would advise them to convert to an hedge strategy. For example, straddle to an iron fly and strangle to an iron condor. That is advisable. ये हफ्ता the most important data will be the US jobs report. That's on Friday. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.